Okay, so in the fifth question, we've been given that in the figure shown below, reactant A is represented by squares and it is in equilibrium with product B represented by circles. And we have to find the equilibrium constant. So let's first look at the figure. In the figure, these squares indicate reactant A. So we have 6 molecules of reactant A and B represents circles. So these are the circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have 11 B molecules. Now according to the question, this reactant A is in equilibrium with reactant B, with the product B. Alright. And we know that in terms of concentration, the equilibrium constant is equal to the concentration of the product B divided by concentration of the reactant A when these two are in equilibrium. So we already know that the concentration of these two at equilibrium is 11 and the concentration of B is 6. And this is equal to I think 1.83, which is almost approximately equal to 2. Therefore 2 is our equilibrium constant. Thank you.